Thanks everybody for checking in at One Night Strands Hair Studio. And this is part of our Shears Ahead workshops. And today I want to talk about color hair situations, which you're going to be running into. Uh, if you're just starting in this business or you want to get into this business, or if you're a designer that's already in this business, you're going to be running across a lot of color hair situations. And a lot of times when you're in these situations, you're going to have to be able to understand what the client's saying, be able to take what they say and put it and make it very technical in your mind, and then you're going to have to be able to see the finish before you even start working on the hair. I'm going to have some videos that I had 3 color situations with clients, and I used some different techniques that you can mix and match. You can also add, take away, and I'm going to go over each step of what I did in these videos and really help solve a lot of these color situations that you're going to run into when you get into this business or if you're already in it. So why don't you just like me, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on the next video.